What is up guys, Alex here and welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at a pair of budget Bluetooth headphones and finding out if they're worth your money. Let's get right into it. Welcome back everybody. So this is a review of the XBT-780 headphones and an unboxing. Now these were sent out for my honest thoughts, opinions, and review. My thoughts are my own. They did not sponsor this video, but they did send out the headphones for me to try out and test. So a huge thank you to them for sending it out. The company has the name Riwbox, and I only spell it because I'm not sure on the pronunciation. I think it's Riwbox, but I want to make sure that I'm accurate when I spell it. So at least there you go if you're looking it up. These guys currently on Amazon run for about $40. They have an 18-hour playtime, a couple hours to charge, 50mm drivers, and a lot of features that were pretty cool. So I wanted to check them out and find out if these $40 headphones were actually worth it. So starting off with the unboxing here, I will rip this bad open. One of the hardest things about doing YouTube channels where I want to unbox something is getting a package and then waiting to unbox it. So really excited to finally open these up. Let's see here. Oh, pops open like that. So when you open it up, you're greeted with the headphones themselves. Pretty cool. Pretty minimal, but I mean it is a budget pair of headphones. Like I said, they're like 39 bucks. So there's two colors. I went with the black ones. There's also a pair of white ones that are a lot less subtle. But I'll put these down for now. So those are the headphones themselves. Also in the box, it looks like, oh, that's kind of cool. So in here, there is a really actually sizable bag, like nice. Obviously it's not real leather, but I mean, it's really nice. I don't know why I smelled it to see if it was. I knew it wasn't. But really nice traveling bag, so that's cool. They don't appear to fold, I don't think. Yeah, I don't know that they fold, but it's cool to have the nice traveling bag to go with it. You also have some paperwork in here and a aux cord and a charging cord with a micro USB, looks like, which is pretty standard. And then in here you have warranty information, basic paperwork, but that's it. Initial impressions here. So, oh, it looks like it has a nice metal band. I like that. The top seems pretty soft. Ear cups are actually pretty soft, very cushiony. I like that. On the side here we have an aux port. On the other side we have the charging port, along with your volume up, play, pause, skip, and power buttons there. Has the cool little L and R design on the inside of the headphone cups. I like that a lot. But enough about the headphones themselves. Let's get to actually trying them out. Okay, so I have just spent some time listening to these guys, and holy cow, like, seriously, these are the best sounding $40 headphones I've ever used. And I am like a huge headphone nerd. I don't know if you guys know this about me. Any one of my friends who has grown up knowing me know that I had like a different pair of headphones every couple months because I always wanted to have the best headphones and I always wanted to have the best experience. And as I was growing up, I usually wanted that at the lowest possible price. These guys are crazy. They've got, like I said, 50mm drivers, but a lot of times what I found with like budget headphones is they will accentuate something and lose a lot of other things. Like they might boost bass, but then in the end they losing clarity in the highs and the mids. These things are freaking awesome, like, and I don't use that lightly. For 40 bucks, seriously, I'm blown away. They're incredibly comfortable. I listen to everything from hip hop to indie to a little bit of punk rock. Everything in these sounds super clear. The bass in here is great. It's not overpowering and it's not muddy and it doesn't make the highs or mids lose any clarity. These are incredible and incredibly impressive. I'm blown away, honestly. So some final thoughts. Positives. Sound, obviously. Time that you can play it. I haven't tried it out for 18 hours straight, but if the claims that these guys can go that long are true, that's crazy impressive. The time that I have used it, haven't had any issues. Obviously the battery life is still ticking and I haven't even charged it, so that's really impressive. Buttons are super clicky, tactile, and in a great place. Love that. Love the fact that there is an aux port and a really nice cable for if you want to charge them and use them like Bluetooth, but if you also don't, you got that option as well. I love that they have the carrying bag as well here. I think that's just a really nice feature, but some downsides I would say is that they're not foldable. I mean, I don't think they are, and I don't want to press too hard in case they're not, but still, everything that they put in this box for the price that you're getting, these have blown me away. I'm speechless. These are great. So I will absolutely be recommending these to any of my friends who are looking for a pair of headphones that are 40 bucks. And if you have any friends that are looking for some Bluetooth headphones, look no further than these. They're crazy good, they're crazy comfortable, and I'm blown away. These are awesome. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to like it. If you loved it, feel free to share with your friends who maybe are in the same market looking for a good pair of headphones. And feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. I actually have quite a few more headphone reviews coming up, so be on the lookout for that, as well as a bunch of other kinds of videos. And make sure you hit that bell if you want to stay notified on when those videos come out. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on social media at Instagram and on Twitter. I like communicating with you guys. I love hearing from you guys. So you can follow me at ACDEBACA or Alex Cidabaca, and I shortened it in case you're wondering how to say my weird last name. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.